Got my stuff. I'm gonna make a CNC mortising machine to make mortises indoors and whatever component you may have. I'm gonna operate that stepper. It's gonna go. I'll show you guys a little joystick. I'm doing it for prototyping purposes so I can move the axes back and forth. Then we'll start writing code. I'll share all the Arduino codes, the calibration of. These are all old components from many moons ago. This is from old CNC projects that I built when I was a younger feller. I have the old brand of it. Some power supply, Allen Braille, clone Omega from Sane Smart. Got the old ramps board, a 3D controller, 3D printer controller. I'm gonna use all old components, recycled components, old recycled drivers, recycled Uno. Many years old. These things are old, but they're still working. The power supply that we ripped from the 3D printer. I got this old Allen Braille. Dad gave it to me long ago. 0.17 amp. Factory set, 24 5-volt steppers. Hello, you stole my daddy car?
You can't steal daddy's cars. Who's good?
And here's my connections. Got the stepper here, the jumper here to enable the board, to the joystick, through the first pin is ground brown is going to the hold. Second one, white 5 volts is going to the 5-volt terminal. The other one, VRX, is going to Bort. All those black ones are ground. I've got the ground of the joystick, going to the ground connections. All those black ones here are grounds. Then I have the white 5 volts going to the white wire. 5-volt pin is going to the 5 volts right there. Then the purple, VRX, purple is going to the abort. The brown is going to the hold terminal. I'll give you guys the code and the schematics, or figure out how to write it. There's a delay to the right. In order to turn these ball screws, going like that.